I've been talking a lot about balance exercises recently on this channel. Today, I'm going to do something a little different to help you improve your balance. I'm going to share a 6-minute, super simple balance workout that you can do right now without leaving your home or office or bathroom. Okay, well, that's just, never mind. I've talked in detail about the balance exercise in this workout in previous videos, and I'm gonna link to those resources in the description box so you can watch it for more info. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos about how to improve your balance. Also, drop me a comment down below and let me know what brought you to this video. Why are you thinking about improving your balance? Did something happen? Did somebody say something? Are you okay? Do you need a hug? This quick balance workout is also included in the newly updated balance improvement section of my Healthy Hips program, which I can tell you more about after the workout. And before we jump right into the workout, I want to remind you that good balance isn't about silly tricks like closing your eyes and trying to balance in one spot for some arbitrary period of time. It's about being able to navigate life, uneven surfaces, unexpected positions, and unexpected challenges with ease. To do that, you need to train your muscles and your brain to handle all kinds of different positions, and that's why around here we ATM always think muscles. All right, with that out of the way, let's get going to improve your balance. In this drill, we're going to be working on your balance on one leg with a bent knee. You're going to need something to help you balance, like a chair, a wall, a stick, and you are going to be doing 2 rounds on each leg. In the first round, you're going to be standing on a bent knee, and you're just going to be holding that position, experimenting with your weight, experimenting with your upper body position and your knee bend, and just kind of seeing what you can handle. In the second round, we're then going to be going a little more advanced and start tapping around the world with your leg, really focusing on getting range in a lot of different positions and really focusing on getting some burn in your hip and your leg. So get set and get ready. I got the timer. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to start off with my left leg doing the work first. We're just going to be bending that knee and we're just holding here. This foot is just helping me balanced. And as you get better at this, you may not need to use anything, but to start, make sure you use some help. You should feel the glutes, hamstrings, the thighs working on your left leg. You can feel free to explore a little bit. You can move your weight forward into the ball of your foot and your toes. You can move the weight into your heels. You can lift the heel up. You can have your weight more to the left, more to the right. So like this or like this. Just make sure you're staying in a pain-free range and you still feel muscles working. You can also have less knee bend, more knee bend. You can be bent over more. All of these are good for exploration. All right, let's take a 20-second rest. We're going to switch to the other leg, so we'll be on top of the right leg again. You can explore forward, back, side to side. Amount of knee bend, it can be really deep, could be shallow. You can be flexed at the hip with the upper body. All good to explore. So here we go. Just breathe, feel those muscles work. Find the position that is really challenging for you. Once it feels like it's burning too much, it's too tired, change position. It's all about this right hip, right leg working. Maybe go a little deeper with the upper body folding forward. Maybe a little more knee bend. Maybe weight a little back. Just figure out where you find it hard to load. Because all of those positions and angles matter when you're playing sports, when you're running, when you're trying to catch a toddler, whatever it is, you gotta have access to different angles. All right, take a rest, shake it out. Okay, so this next round, we're back on the left leg and we're gonna be reaching with the right leg
all around the world. Okay, so again, if you need help, hold on to some help. Bend the knee, and here we go. So we can just start off tapping. Think about like a clock. You're going all the way around the face of this clock. Okay? You're trying to be able to do this with the work focused on this leg. And again, we can be creative, we can be exploratory, we can even open up if we want to, using help, using no help, whatever. Trying to keep bent over, trying to stand up straight. It's all okay. Just explore what you can do. You should feel your thigh burning, you can feel your glute burning. Whew. All right, take a rest. Next round is on the right leg. Really feel those muscles working. Those are the ones that help you in daily life. All right, let's get set. So, bending that knee and reaching over. You want to get funky, you can have your hands in the air. You want to get down and dirty, you can get all over the place. You want to get fancy, like you're dancing. It's cool, however you want to do it. Maybe you dance and you got some specific moves you want to practice here. That's cool. Arm position's gonna matter. It's gonna change it up. Feel that leg burn, glute burning. Again, shifting. You should shift back into your heel. You might feel it a little different. You will feel it a lot different. You want to shift forward into your toes, balls of your foot. It's going to change it up too. It's all good. Experiment. Explore. Oh. Nice job. Take a rest. Hey, I just want to take a quick second to say a huge thank you to Stephanie W. for sending $150 via PayPal to support this channel. I appreciate it so much. Your support helps me make videos like this without having to interrupt them with commercials for website builders, VPNs, supplements, and clothing. So thank you so much for your support. If you would like to support me too, you can go to uprighthealth.com/donate and you'll see all the easy options there. Or you can just send me some money via PayPal. It's the easiest, lowest fee way to support this channel. Just go to paypal.me/uprighthealth. I really appreciate it. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please do. It is free and it helps me out a lot. I really appreciate it. And you can also go to my website and get on my newsletter for free and get some sweet freebies. So go there right now, uprighthealth.com. Thanks so much. I appreciate it. Here we go to the rest of the video.
I suggest doing this workout 2 times a week to start. If you don't feel super sore, then go ahead and do it a little more often. This isn't a super hard workout, so you can likely get away with doing it several times a week, but make sure you listen to your body and don't cripple yourself with soreness, all right? Remember that slow is safe and fast is foolish. As I mentioned earlier in this video, this balance workout is included in the Healthy Hips program, which you can find at uprighthealth.com/DIY. This program is designed to build strength and flexibility in your hips and legs, so you can do simple stuff like sit down with horrific hip pain or sleep on your side without aching in your hips, or just do something like a deeper squat, or play a sport without feeling like you've got one leg tied behind your back. Remember, the key to better balance and happier, pain-free hips and legs is to use your muscles. Don't get caught in rips. They don't help and you won't make any progress. Oh, you don't know what rips are? Well, check out the resources in the description box. To make it short, don't think that rest, ice, injections, pills, or surgery are going to be your magic quick fixes. Always think muscles, so you prioritize the most simple, affordable, and powerful natural path to fixing your own body yourself. If you want to rebuild your hips at home, go to uprighthealth.com/DIY and check out the Healthy Hips program now. For more free videos to improve your balance, check these out here. Like, share, and subscribe with the bell notification on. And as always, I hope you remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.